We are in Sidi Ifni. Camping's just there to my right. And today we're going to try and catch a local bus. It's going to be an experience to Legzira and walk down into the beach and see the famous big arc that's carved into the rock by the ocean. So we're going to try and get the bus. We've had one stop, but it was the wrong one. It's all a new experience, good fun. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll see how we get on. Well, here it comes. I hope it's the right one. Really? Oh. Well, that weren't ours either. So what do? We'll wait for another one and see. If not, we'll get a taxi. Well, here comes the umpteenth bus. Maybe this is the one. We've been here over an hour now. So we'll see if this one goes there.
Oh, man.
An Arabic. Well, it was the right bus and it cost us 8 dirhams. So that's not even €1. Oh, it's a car coming. So it was less than €1 for about 11 kilometres. And we're now walking down to the village and the little huts on the beach where we get a bit of fried fish, no doubt. There's a look of what we're coming down to. There's a few hang gliders in the air. Well, they've landed. So once we get down here, we'll head right towards the arch, check out the restaurants on the way, walk to the arch, come back and eat a fish. Well, there's some perilous steps coming down here, covered in sand, and the top is all broken away. These are a little bit better, but it's going to be worth it, I'm sure. Making our way to this arch that's been carved away by millions of years of erosion from the sea, and we've got a sea breeze keeping us cool, a lot of mist in the air, sea mist from the waves. It's very turbulent sea. Maybe that's calm for them here. Anyway, we're heading towards this rock. Let's have a look at it. Well, there it is in the distance. Maybe see what it looks like once we're underneath. So we've been told not to go to see the others because the sea, or the tide, is actually coming in. And if we go through the first arc, we will get trapped as the sea rises. So we're just going to have a look up here. Yeah, I can see the waves are breaking right near the arch now. Well, we made it to the arc, and I'm walking backwards because the water is beginning to creep up on us. You can see me there. And we made it to this famous arch. Where's it gone? There it is. A couple of camels under there. Air isn't that good because the mist from the waves breaking. So they're going to be a bit cloudy, I think, these film and the photos. Once in a lifetime, we've come and done it. We're soon going to have to get out of the way because that's pushing in pretty quick. 3 or 4 meters on every wave. Whoopla. having fun. She's somewhere there. There she is, writing in the sand again. Thumbs up. Yes. Well, we've got this terrace all to ourselves, and we've succumbed to another dorad grilled fresh fish with a salad and vegetables and a drink and a dessert for €8. So we always start off with a Moroccan salad, tomatoes and onion chopped up fine with a bit of lettuce and a seasoning. It's very tasty. Well, there's our dorade. I missed him being barbecued, but there he is. Well, we had our nice grilled fish and vegetables and chips and a cup of coffee each, Coca-Cola each. Started with a Moroccan salad, and for both of us it comes to 210 dirhams, about 21 euros for two of us. And I think we sat there for an hour and a half. Yeah, Catherine's saying behind me the coffee was strong. And I said, well, yes, almost like a Turkish coffee. Put your spoon in it and it melted. That strong. Anyway, we got our 15-minute walk back up to the main road. That should work off a bit of the fat in the chips, and maybe have to wait another 2 hours for the bus to come again. Or we might try and do a bit of hitchhiking, we'll see. Anyway, let's carry on. Made it to the top of our 15-minute walk, and as you can see there's not a soul around, so now we'll just have to wait and see what comes. There's a French couple coming up in a car we saw down below getting themselves ready. We'll try and hitchhike to them. Well, Catherine managed to get a hitchhiking lift, and we thought they were French or English, but they turned out to be Polish, and saved us the 8 dirhams, and we got here much quicker than the bus anyway. So thank you for those Polish people. We didn't get your names, but have a safe trip home. Now we're back at the campsite. Time to have a clean up and a siesta.